good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all according to your time. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, this is Queen Mambe Reality TV. And if you have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to this channel. And if you are subscribed already, thank you all. May God bless you all. Yes, I'm back again like I never left. I'm here to talk about this lady here. But pardon me guys, I'm going to use pidgin to continue this story. So my people, now well done. On today's topic, I want to use pidgin and beg my people. Wanna bear with me. I want to talk about this lady wey dey here so. Though maybe many of una go don see her for different platforms before, but no, I still need to talk about her because I want use and take give advice to many of our ladies, to many of our women wey dey there, wey dey out there, dey put marriage matter for head like say tomorrow not dey. I want use and take advise many of our women wey dey think say marriage na to kpeme yourself put for inside. No be so, marriage no be so. So this lady so wey dey here when I want talk so, make I tell una small of wetin happen to this our sister so. This our sister so, e get 4 pikin with your oga, and na nurse na she be for where they dey. Una know as nurse workers be, una know as their work be. So na nurse na she dey do for where they dey, and she don get 4 pikin. She don get 4 pikin with her oga. So to cut the matter short now, she and her oga come dey get problem for house. They come dey get misunderstanding for house. So the matter come pass, be careful, e come pass water pass garri, so tey they no come dey stay for the same house again. So this our sister now come bring him mama come, so that make him mama for the look he pikins them if she go work. So he can't bring him mama come o. So if she dey go work na him mama na dey look the pikins wey dey house. So he can't reach one day o, to cut the matter short again. Na him oga now come call am for phone, come tell am say he go want make dem see, make dem talk about the katakata wey they get for house, make dem see as they go take come back and all that. Now this our sister so come gree o. Meanwhile this our sister so with your oga so they be oviedo, they be Benin. So now she come agree o. Meanwhile her work now na night na she dey close. Now know how nurse people, how their work be. Most of them na night they take dey work, and na sometimes early morning na they close, or na midnight they close, depend. So now she can't agree to the oga o. They can't agree on the date, they can't agree on time and where they want for go block each other. So it can't reach that day. Now they can't go. My sister can't finish work, she can't go block the oga for road. They can't sit down for inside motor where they can't dey talk the matter. So as they come dey talk the matter now for inside the motor where they sit down now. Meanwhile before your oga don get this our sister now no know say the oga don get plan for mind for am o. My people, make una dey be careful o. So as they dey talk now, na your oga chook am for, now he bring this thing come out to that thing where they take dey, you know, gear something for kitchen. I no wan talk am here, una understand now. Now she use am take kpeme this our sister. He come kpeme this our sister for inside the motor, so she come comot. He come, as if kpeme this our sister finish, he come comot, he come go house. As he come reach house now, maybe for him now, he no come fit bear am, he no come fit stand am. Or maybe he can't dey fear come enter him body. As he don kpeme this our sister, maybe fear come enter him body, say anything go fit happen to am o. Na this our oga so, this no be our, na this oga so Mona pardon me my people. I dey say awa. So na this oga so come carry the same thing wey take kpeme him wife, he come use am take kpeme himself. Him too come kpeme. Na dey hear my people. He kpeme him wife, kpeme himself now. They can't leave the 4 pikin them for ground with this our sister mama so. So my people, the advice when I bring come with this message, more na lis ten to this message, more na not talk say una don fit hear this message for other places, but this one not be the way me take talk am, not be so other people take talk am. So that's why I want make una lis ten to this message well well. I can't use am take give advice for some of our women dem wey dey put marriage for head like say tomorrow no dey. Where they think say marriage na something of say you must kpeme inside. If you not kpeme inside, e not good, e not sweet. No, not be so be marriage. Not be that one be marriage, oh my people. If you dey marriage, you see say the situation where you dey there, e not good, my sister, comot. And if you know the kind behavior where the oga come dey perform for your eye before you comot for the marriage, no go for darkness go talk say you wan go talk one-on-one with your oga o. Even though say your oga call you say okay make una talk, tell am say make una see for daytime, you no wan see am for night. Tell am say make una see for where open. If na restaurant, make una go restaurant go see for there. No follow am go where hide. No follow am go darkness go talk, because you don't know the kind of plan wey carry put for mind they come meet you. Now see, and so this our sister your fine reach now, e don go, e no dey again. The thing touch me, the thing pay me, oh my people. So more na get am for una mind say husband and wife matter no be wetin that they put for head, no be wetin you go kpeme yourself for. E no reach like that. If you no fit bear am, you comot. If you see how the thing be say the oga so don change behavior, the same thing still go for our women o. Some of our women still dey do our oga like some of our men like that. Some of our women still dey do our men like that. Also some of our men dey do our women like that. So e go for the both people. Now this message na for both our men and our women. Now they give this message to. If you know say you no go fit stay, I beg my people make una comot. And if people don't say na wan talk, maybe he can't call you for corner say mo una talk, mo na go resolve the wetin una get. No go for darkness, no go for anywhere, go where open. Make una go restaurant go talk. If you no wan make e come to your house, make e go restaurant go talk. Una hear so? I wish na open place therefore go talk that day now. I no believe say that man now, that our brother so go fit kpeme this our sister just like that. Or maybe he too now for not see kpeme himself, because I believe say na because say he kpeme this our sister, the fear come enter him body. Now he too come kpeme this. Now he too come kpeme himself. So my people, make una be careful, make una wise up. Marriage not be to come kpeme yourself put. Not be so they talk am. Not be so that one. I forget that one where they say that the day Bible where they talk say marriage na for kpeme and kpeme matter. Where they preach to us for Bible. If they want tie their two together. Mona forget that one. Mona not put that one for una brain. If una put that one for una brain, na happen so. Say marriage na to kpeme inside. I beg my people, marriage not be to kpeme inside. Oh, I beg. I pity this our sister. I see pity the 4 pikin wey live now with him mama. How that old mama now want to cope now with that small pikin where they live for ground now, my people. I beg, Mona use this. Mona help me share this message. Make it go out to many of our women. Also to many of our men, because this advice will not be only for our women. This advice they go for our men. Make we use this one to learn. I beg my people. Make we use this one to learn. See as this our sister fine now, e not dey again. E not dey again to come even tell us wetin even happen that day now. because wetin happen that day now na here we take dey hear am now. We no hear am for any of their mouth, because none of them dey now to tell us wetin really happen. Because this one wey we just dey talk now, if e be say no be really happen now, we no know, because dem no dey again to come tell us wetin happen again. My people, I beg, una no put this husband and wife matter, una no dey put am for una head, make e no enter una brain too much. Oh my people, e dey better say I dey single. E dey better for me than say I can't go payment for inside marriage. E dey better say make I dey single, my people. At least I go see day life, see dey enjoy myself, dey go see, I go see day life, see dey see my children. So my people, make una use this one take open up. Una use this one take open una eye. Make una eye open well. Marriage not be wetin you go want make you payment your life put. I beg my people, una use this one take learn. Una help me share this video, make it go out, share am to everybody wey you know, for your Facebook or your WhatsApp, anywhere you know say you fit share am, or your Instagram, share am for everywhere, make it go everywhere. Make this message now reach many of our people hand. Make dem use am take learn. I beg my people. So na that one now we fit talk for now. Una do well when I take stay with me, when I take bear with me, take lis ten to this time. God go bless una. So if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, my people, una go subscribe, because I dey come with many news like this, wey go enlighten you now, wey go see educate you now. Na wetin I dey do for here. So my people, thank you all for listening. May God bless you all. Help me to share this video. Let this video go viral, please, because this message now have to pass on. This message have to reach at least thousands of people, because it's a powerful message. Please help me to share this video. God bless you as you do so. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because this channel, I bring you a lot of information, a lot of good information that will educate you. We are here to learn, that will educate you. I do a lot of things in this platform. If you subscribe to my channel and you follow me up, you would know what I'm doing here. You will follow me up, and each time I drop any video here, you'll be enlightened. Subscribe and click on that notification button, so that anytime I drop any new video like this, you'll be enlightened. Thank you all for staying with me. For now, this will be the end of today's video. Till I come your way again, I remain your girl, Queen Mabel. Thank you all, and bye-bye.